hypers. So we're working with this brand. It's called Beauty Forever. You feel me? So they basically have amazing hair quality. I'm never like I am gonna hold you. They have amazing beauty hair quality. Basically, when they send it to you, they send you a bag for your wig, of course. They will send you, a little gifts, of course. You need it. Feel me? So they'll send you 2 wig caps, as you guys see right here. They'll also send you a pair of edges brush. They'll send you lashes. You can never go wrong with a pair of beautiful lashes. I love the lashes, by the way. So guys, and they'll also send you earrings. Of course, they'll send you some beautiful earrings. I'm gonna try to open it. I'm gonna try to open. My English is so bad today. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Boom. Yeah, those are the earrings. You see, bling bling. You're gonna look really rich with those earrings. Alright, so boom, hear me out. Hear me out. So this hair is basically a curly, beautiful. What is that? Oh my god, my bad, guys. Okay, so this hair is beautiful. It's basically a curly hair. It's a frontal. What I love about it is literally that the curls are so defined. They are very, very defined. As you guys see right here. Basically, guys, I would highly recommend this hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The fact that I was able to do different hairstyles with the hair. Look at the quality and the density of the hair. Look at the density, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, baby. Looking like noodles. Nah, just look like noodles. You feel me? Like ramen noodles. But this is what the front looks like. The front basically comes with clippings, of course. What I love is that it was already plucked. Okay, so it comes with clippings in the back, adjustable straps, of course, and it also comes plucked already, guys. Plucked already. Do you know how nice and easy that is for you to put it on? Is that camera on me, my guy? Look at that. Look at that, guys. So it comes plucked already. I was so surprised. The fact that it already came with edges and stuff like that. So if you want to bleach the nuts, it's up to you. It's very optional. What is it called? Optional? Well, it's, girl, do what you want to do, okay? I bleach the knots of my hair because I feel like it helps a lot. And let's start with the video. Let's start with the installation. For me, okay, so boom pow shoom. This is the foundation, basically what we're using. You feel me? Like, hear me out. Boom 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 boom. You feel me? Like, you can use any foundation of your choice. You feel me? I highly recommend you use some cheap foundation or cheap concealer so that way you don't waste it. Boom. You feel me? We're gonna be applying the foundation on the wig. Yeah, underneath the wig, like, you feel me? Underneath the wig. So just to give like the very natural look. You don't gotta put it too much. Just make sure like it's some there. You feel me? It's something pun there. So guys, I'm excited. We are on 49K. Yeah, so basically right now what you do is you basically just cut the hair, cut the lace. So I'm just cutting the lace into a zigzag. I don't cut the lace straight because I don't want to look like a wig. I mean, a wig will always be a wig. But for me, so yeah, I'm so short. Like, I literally had to tiptoe on this part. So yes, guys, you see, chop 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 chop. Right now I'm just making sure that I have foundation on the lace. I don't know why I'm not recording this scene, guys. I need to stop doing that, honestly. It's like I be doing the most when I be recording. Okay, there you go. Alright, there you go. Yeah, there you go, baby. Alright, boom. Let's get to the glue. I'm using got to be glue. You feel me? I applied the glue where I want the lace to start. You don't have to apply a lot. I feel like it depends what occasion you're doing. You feel me? I apply a lot of glue if I know I want the hair to last maybe for 2 days. If I'm gonna take the hair the same day, I apply less glue. Right now I'm just blow drying. Oh, what was I thinking about? I'm always thinking about something, honestly, when I'm recording these videos. Like, this is the moment where I really be thinking. I low-key be stressing. Like, I be scared. Look at me. I be scared that the hair is not gonna do good. Oh my god. Okay, boom, guys. This I feel like this is my favorite part, honestly. Lining up and see if I want to have a big forehead today or not. So this hair was so natural after I bleach, guys, that I really didn't need to do much. And I feel like the forehead, the lace, I didn't even need to cut the lace, guys, because I honestly feel like it depends on how you're gonna put it. Honestly, you feel me? Like, I love this hair so much. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, because some curly hair be looking crusty. Some curly hair be looking like they fry hair, honestly. But this hair just looks so natural on me. I got so many compliments. Alright, right now I'm just blow drying. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like I put the hair too much in the bag. But it's alright. We're gonna be alright. Oh my god, my head is so big. God. Guys, don't forget to check Beauty Forever. You know, again, they have a lot of beautiful hair. Like, they have nice quality hair. For me, I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna cap. But if you guys are hearing the rain, because it's raining. So guys, guys, always comment on my videos. Always ask me a question. Well, right now I'm just pressing the glue into my scalp. Boom, 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 boom. You feel me? Ba, 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 ba. You feel me? Yeah. You know, that's right. Yeah. Look at my muscles. Big old muscles. Look at that. Alright, so right now what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna be applying mousse. We're gonna be applying mousse. And this is one of the looks. This is the look with no edges. This is what it looks like without the edges. I did not want to put edges, honestly, because I don't know. But yeah. Right now we're applying the edges. So I'm gonna do another look. Okay, so basically for the edges, again, it's up to you how you want to do your edges, honestly. You know, you decide how you want to do your edges. I personally feel like 2 edges is fine. 1 edges, let me stop. I feel like I don't know. I don't know what you guys like. I personally don't like too much edges. I feel like I'm getting, you know, I'm getting bored of so much edges on my head. I honestly just need like 2 edges. Okay, alright, boom, guys. Right now I'm going with the hot comb. You feel me? A hot comb. You gotta be careful with the hot comb because if that shit burns you, it's really over for you, honestly. So you gotta be careful with the hot comb. So guys, I'm doing a middle part. You know, oh my god, I'm very excited. Honestly, we're gonna be doing a middle part. You feel me? That's a purr. Okay, so voila. The fact that this hair is curly and it listened to all my demands, I was very surprised. I was very surprised, you know. So, yes, guys, I'm excited. I feel like my life is going so great. You know, my life is going great. Everything has been going great. So, this is another look. Boom. For me, this is look number 2. You know, I personally feel like this look is amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love this look. Do I love this look? We do a mirror part, and of course, guys, I love like any different hairstyle with this. So, can you take one like that, camera, please?
What?
Like this.
You want me to take a picture?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, alright, boom. Yeah, hear me out. So basically, right now I'm doing the pigtails look. I love this hair. I'm seeing trending on Instagram. I really think it's mad cute. Like, I think it's cute, especially with the little um bows. Oh my god, looks so pretty. Yes, guys. Yeah, that's right. Give it to them. So, guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And beijinhos.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think Oh, the door closes, starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?